I recall correctly, that's you and your sister Angela, right?
Yes.
All right. And that is your hand around her, right?
That's right.
Okay. And in Exhibit 453, that's your hand again, right?
Yes.
Now, perhaps before we move on past this photograph, you would concede that there's no visible bend in your finger, at least in terms of any injury, correct?
Correct. Well, it's sort of bent.
Right. Well, going back to 452, it appears, I know Angela is wearing a hat, but it appears that she's at least a few inches shorter than you. Is that fair to say?
Yes, that's her height.
Okay. How tall are you, Miss Arias?
I think I'm 5'5.5" or 5'6", somewhere around there.
I'm a little taller than that, so I'm going to ask Miss Willmott to come forward. Jodi, if you could step down, please, in front of the jury.
Judge, for purposes of this, we need to have Ms. Willmott's height in whatever it is that she's wearing. Other than that, I would object on the grounds of relevance.
The relevant objections are ruled.
And we'll just have Ms. Willmott, for the record, state her height.
I would say I'm 5'3", 5'4" with heels on. I can't be certain. I don't know how high my heels are.
If you could, Jodi and Ms. Willmott, could we see you, for lack of a better term, recreate the pose we see in Exhibit 452? And if you could turn. Okay, thank you.